It is a rainy open house day, but we are gonna do this. Come rain, come snow. We don't have snow. Come sleet, come what else? Sunshine. Oh, we have a lot of sunshine in Florida. All right, we're doing an open house, and since nobody's showing up because it's raining and everybody's prepping for a storm, we figure we just go ahead and show you the house by video. So, isn't it cute with the little palm trees? All right, let's go say hello.
Welcome.
Guess who? It's Melinda. Okay, here we go.
Welcome everybody. This is 5319 Olano Street in Palmetto. This is the amazing Travesta neighborhood. If you've never visited Travesta, it's definitely worth coming to check out, especially if you have a family. They've got a splash pad for kids. They've got a huge community pool, a clubhouse, and a fitness center. You need to get rid of that gym membership because you have one here. All right, let's take a look at this 6-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. And it's perfect for multi-generational living because there are 2 full bedrooms and full bathrooms downstairs. Let's take a look.
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter. On the road we find stories, steps that intersect, dreams that intertwine. And in the gaze of the stranger, we find pieces of ourselves. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter.
Here is a showstopper. So if you'd like more information about this amazing, very large home, give us a call at 941-681-0241 and we'll get you a private showing. Talk to you soon. Bye.